case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1977, the Supreme Court heard the case United States versus New York Telephone Company, which focused on whether a U.S. district court had the authority to order a telephone company to assist federal law enforcement in implementing a pen register order. The order was based on probable cause that individuals were using the telephones in question for illegal gambling activities. The telephone company argued that pen register orders could only be issued in connection with a wiretap order conforming to specific requirements. The district court ruled that pen registers were not subject to those requirements and could be authorized based on probable cause. The Court of Appeals affirmed the authorization but held that the district court went too far in ordering the telephone company to assist with installation and operation of the pen registers. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled in favor of the district court, stating that pen registers are not subject to specific requirements and that the court had the power to authorize their installation based on probable cause. The court held that under the All Writs Act, the district court was allowed to issue the order against the telephone company, as the respondent's refusal risked obstructing the investigation. Furthermore, the public utility company had no significant interest in not assisting. The order was deemed consistent with the Act and congressional actions, and therefore the Court of Appeals' opposite judgment was reversed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.